DVR from Seicane. I think it was like $50. 72006-1 or SC7260-1. I forget which one it is. I'll put it in the description link. I may even add a screenshot showing you what I got or what I paid. Alright, so SC08. Oh, I see. They gave me 2 cameras. I ordered 2 cameras at once, right? This is the $20 version. So all you do is stick it in, plug this USB in, and this guy should glue there and work. There it is. Alright, I see. That one's a very simple one. If you buy the whichever head unit model this is, I should know this by now, S18JP25, there's a little checkbox that says for $20 add a camera. This is the one. This one, which is what should be in this box, I assume. I think they just stuck that in there for me. This one is the $50 one, I believe. So, it's got your 3M tape, you got your actual camera here, and you got this little weird plug. So, yeah, this little weird plug plugs in here. Like that. And then this guy is going to your RCA cable in the back of the dash. This is a power accessory and B plus. I don't know what that is. This looks like it moves, but doesn't, at least. Not without breaking it. It's a little guidebook here telling you how to use it. Black, red, and yellow. Oh, there's a black wire here too. Alright, so we got ground, B plus, accessory wire. So I don't really know how to hook that one up yet. So I'll probably just try this cheaper one first. Alright, so that's Seicane. You get this guy for $50. You got a screenshot button, I guess, power button. Looks like a spot for a micro SD card right here. And this is what you get for $20. So you just plug this into USB port. And I guess you just stick that behind your mirror somewhere. And I guess it just goes. There's no directions on this one. So I'll try that one out. That one will be easy to try. So I'll try this one first. And then we'll come back to this guy. I gotta figure out how to wire all this crap up. Alright. Alright, so here is the $20 camera for my Seicane. Turn that off. Seicane S18JP25 or something or other. So, it's really all it is just a camera with the USB on the side. This USB goes to Seicane, so let's just try plugging them in and see what happens. And so far, nothing. There we go. Oh, nice. Okay. So, it does nothing when you turn it on, but if you go to DVR record, suddenly. So, let's see. If I can, there's my camera, upside down. There we go. There's my camera. There's somebody. Alright, there's my rearview mirror. And I guess I would put it. I just realized I was looking at the camera, not looking at this camera. Alright, so here is this camera. Now I'm filming. There's my phone on the camera. There's my face. Super handsome, of course. Alright, so now we're gonna try to put this camera. I'm just gonna set it up there. There we go. Let's just say alright, so if you were to mount this somewhere, just trying to see. Alright, so let's just see what my options are. That does. Oh, I guess that means it records in like 10-minute intervals or something. Camera, let's select the device. Where the hell do I do that? My GPS card, okay. I'm with you. Alright, there I can take pictures. Well, there's no instructions. I don't really know how this thing works. Oh, there we go. So now it's recording it. Okay, it's going to record 5-minute intervals. There's a little recording sign. I see. So now you're still recording. Select to control car record. Alright, and this will stop it. I see. Okay, so I bet you can set it to record for just intervals at a time. And probably just goes for 15 minutes at a time. And then record it over itself, I guess. It's a pretty clear picture, really, for a $20 camera. Ignore that terrible looking shed and leaves and all. That's some other people's house. That's not mine. Mine's pristine, of course. Alright, yeah. So, yeah, it's pretty simple. $20 is hard not to right now. I guess it would probably fill up your storage quickly. I assume it overwrites itself. There's no details. That's the problem. Alright, so we got this DVR app here. Literally, oh, I wonder what happens if I do this. I wonder if I hit audio, video, and nothing. Okay, that's the RCA cables, I guess. Alright, so, yeah. I wonder if I got hit that every time, though. That seems like a pain in the ass. Oh, there you go. I can see my recording. Oh, that's cool. Alright, so there's a little bit of detail there. I still don't know. You can't slide out. Down does nothing. Up does nothing. This doesn't slide over any. Alright, so not a lot of information here on the $20 camera. But the picture's pretty solid, really. I could mount that pretty easily. Let's see where we're gonna. And then, yeah. So the camera can be. Let's see if I can. Alright, so you see, this guy can also be moved, right? So you stick this guy down, and this guy can be moved. I don't think that does anything. I don't know what that does. Doesn't appear to do anything. So yeah, you can just kind of move it all around. Yeah, like for example, it's a pretty good picture, gotta say. So let's just look at my old Z box here. Yeah. There's the Z box. Alright, so it's dark. If I could keep the light. If you could see the light on there, I can't get the light on at the same time. Let me turn this light off. Alright, so let's point. There you go. So that's looking at the car. There's the Honda Pilot. Well, again, I keep forgetting that I'm holding this camera here. So there's the Honda Pilot. There is the old Jeep logo on the steering wheel. You can see buttons there. Yeah, like I said, not bad for a $20 camera. I don't know if you gotta push that record button every time or not, so that kind of sucks. Especially if you can only set it to go for 15 minutes at a time. Like if it would just keep recording itself indefinitely. Yeah, so I don't know what to do about that part, but it seems kind of pointless to have to record itself. No details, nothing. That's the only negative spot, really. But if you want to take a picture or something, that would work. Something in front of you, like I don't know. Again, having to press record every time seems like not the way to do it. But if you hold down, it doesn't do anything. Now, if it just kept recording itself over and over again, I guess that's one way to do it. So let's just turn this on. No, stop that. I'm gonna change this to 5 minutes. Start recording. It's 5:59. Let you go for 5 minutes straight. Which is gonna be pretty boring. So I'm gonna stop the tape here. I'm just gonna sit here in total boredom while the guy counts down, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so now we're down to 48 seconds. This video may suck because I'm like a moron. I keep getting confused to which one's actually the right screen, because I got one camera in my hand, LG V20, recording this, and I got one camera in my hand that we're talking about, so I get confused when I stare out. So alright, so there we go. We got 30 seconds to go. You can see that 23 counting down, 21. Again, I haven't mounted this camera because I got 2 or 3 I'm gonna try. And like I said, if it's just recording itself over and over again, then that's cool, and I will use this. It's just gonna do 5-minute increments. I'll need to get a bigger SD card, of course. There we go. Great. Perfect. Look at that. So the only problem is you gotta remember to start it every time. Alright, yeah, there's no setting to automatically record it, but pretty good though, yeah. So okay, that makes perfect sense now. Now I can stop it. So basically, you set this guy here. Let me move this to black. And you basically pick 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute intervals where it just kind of records over itself over and over again. And then here's where you pick your storage location. This is my micro SD card. It probably doesn't write over itself, or probably, yeah, it just keeps them over. So you'd have to go in there and delete them every so often, right? So like, just hit that guy and then confirm you want to delete. I know this isn't going to be focusing. It's a weird time. It's 6:05 p.m., so it's dusk, I guess you would say. Alright, so for the simple one, $20 camera, that DVR app was built in. It was already installed. I didn't do anything to install it, right? So this guy's built in from your guy. So, alright, so that's cool. And now, I just gotta figure out what I want to do. Alright, so that's cool, yeah. If you just move, so you could just have this guy on your home screen, right? And every time you start the Jeep, turn that on and turn the camera on there, and it'll just record for your whole trip. And then, you know, if you're in an accident or something, you'd have a record of it. So, yeah. That's pretty cool. I like this guy. $20, hard to beat. If you're gonna order the Seicane S18JP25, I would recommend checking the box for a little $20 camera. You don't have much to lose there. I'm going to test the more expensive one. It seemed like a more complicated install, so I got to figure that out. Because, of course, the instructions were lacking. But, like I said, as far as $20 for this little guy, I say worth it. Alright. Thanks.